properties. How do metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid? Here we have to take metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Let us see what happens when metal carbonates and the hydrogen carbonates react with acid. For this we have to study the activity 2.5. Take two test tubes, label them as A and B. Take about 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 in a test tube A, and about 0.5 gram of sodium hydrocarbonate NaHCO3 in a test tube B. Add about 2 ml of dilute HCl to both the test tube. What do you observe? Pass the gas produced in each case through lime water calcium hydroxide solution as shown in the figure 2.2 and record the observation. Here we have to make arrangement as shown in the figure. Take the two test tubes, that is A and B. For A test tube we have to add sodium carbonate, that is 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate, and in the B test tube we have to add sodium hydrogen carbonate. Add 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. Here acid is reacted with sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. What do you observe? We have to note the conclusion after the experiment. The reaction occurring in the above activity has written as a test tube A, that is sodium carbonates reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, that is sodium carbonates Na2CO3 reacts with hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives rise to 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas. Here carbon dioxide releases for this experiment. Okay. In the test tube B, sodium hydrocarbonates reacts with dilute HCl, that is NaHCO3 reacts with hydrochloric acid solution gives rise to NaCl plus H2O plus CO3. On passing the carbon dioxide gas entered through the lime water, CaOH2 plus carbon dioxide gives rise to white precipitate. CaCO3 gives rise to H2O. On passing excess of carbon dioxide, the following reaction takes place. CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2 gives rise to CaHCO3 2. So soluble in water. Limestone and chalk and marbles are different forms of calcium carbonate. All metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates reacts with acid to give a corresponding salts, carbon dioxide and water. The main formula for this property is when a metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonates reacts with the acid, it gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, when conclusion is that when a metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate is reacts with acid, it gives first salt, then carbon dioxide and water. These are reactants, and in the left side we will get product. Okay.